Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelo and you're watching Nelo Stitches. Today I will show you how to turn your flay or peplum with a crinoline without lining. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button below and subscribe, like and share my video, and turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time I upload new video. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using this flay. I've already cut out my flay, so and here is a 2-inch wide crinoline. It's a 2-inch wide. So here, this tip, you can either turn it with the fabric like this. Okay, you sew on it just to seal that edge so that it will not be choking you when you wear your clothes, or you use a masking tape to do that. So you fold it this way and sew on it just to conceal that tip. All right, just run a stitch on it, or you use a masking tape to do that. So I actually forgot to do that on my own and it was tricking me, so I decided to show you what I should have done that I did not do. So this is it. You use a masking tape and hold it this way. It will not be tricking you. Right now, so let's start sewing. So on the front part of your peplum, you place your crinoline this way, okay, and sew with 1/2 inch seam allowance, 0.5 inch seam allowance. You're going to sew it round your flay. Do not drag your crinoline. Don't drag it this way, just free it, allow it to go. It will be curving, it will be following you gradually the way you are curving it, because it's flexible. Okay, so you're going to sew around your flay. So I've done that already. I've sewn the crinoline to the flay with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Okay, so next, that's, you're going to place it on the right side. So now you're going to fold towards the left, the wrong side. Okay, you're going to fold towards the wrong side and pull it in like this. Make sure the crinoline, you're pushing it in this way so that it will reach the tip. Okay, and then you're going to top stitch on it round. Okay, you're going to top stitch on your crinoline just at the tip. Don't worry, the seam will be showing at the front part, so that is why you need to use a matching thread. Okay, you need to use a matching thread for this, so your seam will be showing on the right side of the flay. So this is it. After I've done that, as you can see, it's laying flat and beautiful. So this is how to turn your peplum with crinoline without lining. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.